I'll let you fall back to sleep soon. Was hoping maybe you could ease my worried mind. No, there ain't no damn way I can love someone else like I loved you. And I know that it might be a long time. Could you wait